Hey, and welcome to Empowering Teachers. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use your app to get automated feedback on classroom instruction. We'll cover finding uploaded lessons, understanding the feedback visualizations, and using the interactive features to reflect classroom practices. Let's get started.
If you already have an account, you can log in here. If you're a new user, just click sign up, or you can log in with Google. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in now. Okay, so this is your dashboard. This is where you'll see a list of all of the lessons you've uploaded. To add a new one, you click the add new lesson button here. Currently, our app works best with transcripts in CSV file formats, so select the transcript file from your computer to upload it. We're excited to announce that soon we will have direct audio file uploads available with in-app transcription. But for now, you will need to use an external service to transcribe your lesson audio before uploading. And so once your file is uploaded, you select which speaker is the teacher. Click next. Okay, so your file has now been sent for analysis. Click done. The process can take a few minutes depending on how big or depending on the size of the file. You will receive an email notification as soon as your analysis is processed and ready for review. For the purposes of this demo, though, I went ahead and already uploaded a transcript so we can look at that together. So when you open up a transcript, the first thing you'll see is top level metrics. So talk distribution shows the percentage of time the teacher was speaking compared to the student. So you can see that in this lesson, the teacher spoke 84% of the time. Talk length shows the average number of continuous words spoken in a single turn by the teacher, shown in blue, and then for students in this teal green. Next, we have the talk moment summary. This is where we identify key instructional moves. Those are uptake. Uptake happens, or uptake finds instances when the teacher builds on a student's idea, either by revoicing it or by answering the student's question. We then have student reasoning, which looks for moments when students use explicit reasoning expressions, such as because, or I think, or if then statements. Next, we're questioning. This just captures all the questions that were asked in a session, both by teachers and students. We have focusing questions, which identify questions that the teacher asks when they're trying to probe for a student's thinking, like, how did you get that? Or what would you do if X? Something that we have added are custom moments. So if you are in a coaching session or a mentoring session, you can create custom moments and flag them yourself here. So next, I'm going to take you to this section. This is our interactive transcript analysis. This chart provides a timeline for your entire lesson. Blue segments are teacher talk, and the green teal are student talk. The rows of icons below show exactly where each of the talk moves, like questioning, uptake, right here, were detected. And this timeline is fully interactive. You can click on any parts of the timeline and you'll see that it jumps you to that section down here. You can also use these checkboxes up here. Let's say we just wanted to find all of the focusing questions and focus on that, right? You can use these checkboxes to hone in on a moment and look at those. The app also includes tools for your own reflection, so you can mark noteworthy events. You can take notes. You can also star moments. And you'll notice as I'm starring, these are all clustered together. Let me do one down here. As I'm starring and leaving comments, our interactive timeline shows those. This is a great feature for instructional coaches working with teachers because you can go back and look at these. Okay. This is the file that we're looking at. Here in this tab, you can actually edit the transcript. Like we said, our transcription will not be perfect. And so, if something's misspelled or there's a word that's stumbled, you can go ahead and edit it. If you wanted to add a new row, being like, oh, this thing got missed and it was really important, you can do that here. You can add speakers. So this is kind of our, yep, we know there's going to be mistakes. Here's where you go to fix them. And if you needed to share your transcript with anyone, just simply put in the email address and share it. The last thing, actually, before I show you all this, you can print this. You can also export it. It'll export as a CSV. You can also rerun it. And so one thing to note is if you do make changes here, right, like if I was to edit some text here, add a new row, the app is going to flag that you should rerun the app of the transcription because your edits aren't automatically mixed into the transcription that was ran. And so you will have to rerun it. Oh no. Okay. And then the last thing I want to show, which is a new feature we've added, is coaching log. So if you are using this with a coach or a mentor, instead of having two different platforms or user interfaces that you're toggling between, you can click on coaching log and actually pull up the coaching log. This is great for in the moment coaching sessions, right? Teachers, y'all can look to see what's being typed. You can add notes here too. Coaches, you can prep ahead of time and not have to toggle back and forth. And so you just type whatever here. And that's the coaching log toggle. Okay, well, thank you for watching this walkthrough of our MPT app. We hope you enjoy using it to gain new insights into classroom conversations. If you have any questions or feedback at all, please don't hesitate to contact me. I look forward to hearing stories about how it is used in coaching sessions and classrooms. Thanks, y'all. Bye.